This is my baby Ada. Listen to him snore. He sounds like a grown-up, doesn't he?